To load ribbon into your SumiMark IV printer, ensure that the printhead is open and any old cardboard cores from spent spools of ribbon have been removed. Place the new ribbon on the rear spindle with the payoff on the right, feeding ribbon clockwise. Attach the end of the ribbon to an empty cardboard core, making sure that the ribbon take-up is wrapped to receive ribbon in a counterclockwise direction, using the adhesive of your choice to stick the ribbon to the core. Pull a few full rotations of ribbon around the take-up core to secure it. Route the ribbon under the printhead, taking care that it is not snagged on the printhead latch or bunched up beneath the printhead. Then check the diagram on the inside of the printer cover to verify proper ribbon installation.